What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Thank you for the views in yesterday's updates. Please like this video, let's get this video to 50 likes and let's get on with it. So unfortunately on the daily time frame last night we closed below the 1 fib level, and I told you guys if this were to happen we would now continue to our target, the 1618. So every time you lose the 1 fib level or go through it, let's say, because obviously it's up or down, and anytime you go through the 1 fib level and it fails to hold as a key level, then your target is the 1618 down here at 36k. However, as explained in the last few days, we believe that this 1414 will get a reaction around $36,875 because we have previous support here. Look at the bounce from this support. Look at this bounce over here, and again from this area. So we believe after hitting the 1.272, getting above the 1, at that moment of time, invalidating further downside, but before the daily closing below it, validating the downside, I do believe we're on our way to the 1618. Will the 1414 allow us to get there? Because what I believe is going to happen, we are attempting to get down to the 1618 and beyond, because we're in a rising wedge technical target, which I gave you many moons ago, guys, all the way from up here. If you haven't watched the video from the weekend already, I'll link it to you. I'll link it here right now so you can watch how we basically called this whole move to the downside all the way until this low so far. But of course, now that you've come to this low, obviously we can bounce from here. We need to get above the 1 fib level to invalidate further downside. But first we know we need to come down to the 1414 first. Let's see if that reaction will get us above the 1 to invalidate further downside. If not, and as long as we're below this support now resistance over here, then we should continue to our technical target down here at 35k, which is the rising wedge target. And of course we can keep going lower and lower. There are further targets to the downside, but let's focus on this right now. So yeah, now we're below the 1, we're heading to the 1618. We just do believe that we'll get a reaction from here. We just need to see if this reaction will get us above the 1 fib level and then above these EMAs. That's the next step. So really want to reclaim this orange line, okay? This orange line as well as this orange zone. This is that 39k wick back in September that we came back again in January and then lost in January. Since we lost it, multiple fake outs, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 fake outs, because you can see it went under, went above, went under again. So yeah, it's just messing around. This orange line can't be used as support. I was thinking, okay, this is very good here because this is the first time I've actually been seeing it in this area, holding it as support for a few days. This is where we were expecting this short-term double bottom to play out. We met the target, and because we were in this downtrend, we were explaining at the time, because we're in this downtrend, even though it's a bullish pattern, even though we met the bullish target, we just ran into the 55, which I gave you, and we came back to the support. And I said, now this W has flipped into a double top, an M pattern. So if you lose this neckline, you're also validating a descending triangle. Remember giving this all to you guys. It's just up to you to take action. If you want to take action, and so you can see that your technical target was met, which is down at that low. So guys, if you want to take action, if you want to get better at trading, for me to take you to the next level, I'm always here. I have 3 spaces for May. I've got 2 spaces available for the mentorship. I've got courses, there's no spaces needed. The course is there always for anyone interested. That's only £250. I pride myself in how cheap these things are, guys. I could easily be charging you over £1,500 for the amount of lessons I'm doing. I had to pay personally 2k just for a 2-hour lesson. You guys are paying $650 for 20 lessons. So I should really be charging way more. The course as well, it used to be $450. For the last few months, I've brought it back down to get as many people as possible. It's not about the money for me, guys. I just want to teach and make as many people as possible into self-sufficient traders. Traders that don't need any outsiders' knowledge. You won't need to watch me on YouTube, guys. You will have all the knowledge for yourself. You won't need to listen to all this nonsense on YouTube, all these moon boys. You realize, guys, you get paid more by YouTube or Google, because Google owns YouTube. You get paid more by Google to be a moon boy. This is fact. You get more pounds, dollars, whatever, for certain keywords. If you put bullish in your title, you're going to get more money than if you put bearish. So I'm not about the money, as you can clearly see. I'm going to tell you the fact, how it is. If we're going down, I'm telling you, I'm not going to shy away from it. And I get hate for that. But I'm going to tell you, I'm going to keep it real. I'm not these effing moon boys that are just going to say we're going up, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. I haven't been telling you guys to buy the dip, have I? I haven't even bought the dip, have I? I sold down here. So once I'm buying, I'll let you guys know. But all these guys saying, oh, over here, buy the dip, down here, buy the dip, 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 buy the dip. It's all nonsense, guys. They're just pushing their own thing. But yeah, if you want to take your trading to the next level, I'm not doing this for the money. My goal is to teach as many people as possible. And that's why I believe my prices are amazing. And of course, they're only going to go up. I will be increasing the prices because of the demand I'm having for the mentorship. Currently, I'm teaching 4 people a day. So it's hard to keep on top of it. I'm still doing the lessons every day. But yeah. I've got a few students finishing up, so that's why I know there's 2 slots available for May, guys. Get them before they're gone. And of course, the prices will be increasing in these next months. Once crypto do start to go up again, prices will be increasing. It's down at the moment for the last basically since February. The prices have gone down because of course cryptos have gone down. I'm trying to make you realize that if you're learning in this period, the toughest trading period, once we're above this high, guys, 69k, it's going to be so goddamn easy. Don't start learning once we're above 69k. You're going to miss so many trades. Start learning now when we're bearish, when we're doing nothing, when we can accumulate. But still, I'm not accumulating yet. I'm waiting for further dumps because I do believe we're going to come down more, and that's when I'll start accumulating. I'm not accumulating now. I'm not feeding you this nonsense. I will tell you as of when I do things. That's all in the chat. You get the chat for free with the course, with the mentorship. So guys, I urge you to get learning in the toughest trading period. I'm here to help you, guide you hand by hand. Come on guys, let's get this money. In the next 6 months, let's start making this P. We're all on this journey together. We're all struggling at the moment. But yeah, this is the time to learn. You're a student always. Doesn't matter if I've been doing this for 3 years. We're a student always. So thank you guys for watching. Please let's get this video to 50 likes. And if you're interested in these crypto packages and taking, abusing these cheap prices while they're still here, then watch the video at the end of this, the crypto package video. The link to my Twitter is in the description down below. Click that, head over to the pinned post, and then just comment down below so I can private message you and get you started as soon as possible before the prices increase and before the spaces are gone. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3k, scam master account management where I lost 5k, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship. And I will actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.